How much do you want?
What?
Yeah.
I mean, for 150, most people would probably tip $1.
What was your GPA?
My GPA?
Yeah.
Probably like a
3.8. Okay. Dude, $38.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's the nicest thing I've ever heard.
It'll be like the kind of the leadership stuff that I'm doing. Oven. I'm gonna call it Oven. O-V-E-N.
Water at someone's school.
Do you wanna go for a run?
Cool cat staircase outside of building.
I shit it in my pants. I am full.
You ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Reinvestment that goes on.
Hello? I'll be on my way.
Is it time for dinner? When is dinner time? It's not now. You have to wait, Pud.
Anniversary celebration. Alright, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.